Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook profile name or Facebook username on your Facebook. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So friends, here you can see Facebook app and here you have to tap on your Facebook. Okay friends, so let's click on your Facebook. When you move on in the Facebook, here on the first page, on this line, you can see here three line and your profile picture. So friends, here you have to tap on this three line. Okay, the small three line, just click on it. When you tap on it, from here you can see inside it's near this search bar, here you can see setting option. So friends, here you have to click on this setting. Okay, so just tap on setting. When you move on setting, from here you can see inside this meta account center, here you can see inside the setting and privacy, here the first option personal detail. So here you have to click on the personal detail options. Just click on the personal detail. So friends, just click on this personal detail option. Okay, so when you click on the personal detail option, here inside here you can see profile option. Okay, here on this arrow option. So friends, here you have to click on this arrow. Okay, so when you click on arrow, here you have to click again on this arrow option inside the profile. Okay, so here you can see the option of the name. So friends, here you can change the name. Okay, just click on the name. So when you click on the name, here is the first name and the surname. Okay, so just tap on the first name and surname and click on edit, then it will change. Okay, you can change the other name also, and you can manage the other names also. So friends, here I cannot change because here you can see it says your last name was changed on 12 August, so that's why I cannot change. I have to wait for 60 days. Here you can see you can't change your name at this time because you have changed it in the last 60 days. You can still change the order. That's why I cannot change my name. Okay, since I have finished to change my name. Okay, but you can change your name if you have not changed it. Okay friends, so if you want to change your username, you have to click on the back button. Let's click on the back button, and here second option you can see the username option. So friends, here just tap on username. When you click on the username, from here again you have to click on this username option. When you click on the username, here you can type your options. Okay, whatever you want to type, it will come, and after that on the done you can see the done option. Just click on done, and here right now your username will be changed successfully. Okay, but I don't want to change my username. Okay, that's why I won't change my username. Okay friends, if you want to change, you can change it like that. Okay, so friends, if you want to change your after, then you can change your after also from this side. Okay friends, and friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video, share the video, and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.